It's great fun.
All right, hi everybody.
Hi everybody. Today we got a track build. And we got a hill and then the sky high right up in the launch and loop.
So we got the sky high bridge jump, the launch and loop, and we've done this before, but differently. We've taken off the whole base, so they travel up and then they go around in a swirl, and we just went straight up and across a dangling bridge, straight into the jump. So it's an automatic feeder now.
And we'll see the trains can hold the carts on it before they crash.
Yep, we're gonna see if they can hold on to their carts and their packages as they fly through the air.
Or they're gonna crash.
And they probably will crash. There goes Nia.
James.
Oh, James is going up. Oh, we got Kana with the what? What's that on the back of Kana?
Squeakometer.
Squeakometer? Okay. Whoa, whoa, oh! Well, it took Kana down. Oh, we got another Nia. She's got a package. And, her cargo made it, but she didn't. Oh, and James made it, and James is still in Nia's cargo. Move, Jasper, move, move! Whoa, whoa!
Uh-oh.
Oh, here comes Kana. Oh! Who's gonna help him? Hurry, 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 hurry! Woo! Whiff made it. Uh-oh, what's going on, Nova? What's going on, Nova? No! What are you doing? Nia's helping Diesel. Oh, Diesel's so scared. Oh, whoa, Nia's down. There we go. Uh-oh, Gordon's stuck. Here we go. Look at Jasper. Jasper's like, oh my goodness, so much is happening. Oh my goodness, look at all the trains. They're all climbing up. Percy. They're all pushing each other. Look. Look, here goes the train. They made it. Uh-oh. Oh, Percy's down. Oh, Percy took Emily and James off. There goes Whiff. Look, Nova. It's an army of trains. Look at all of them. Uh-oh. Oh, no. 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 Get up there, Kana. Oh, jeez. All right, here we go. Oh, Gordon. There we go. Oh no, Kana, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, Thomas says, get out of my way. Oh, what are you looking at, huh? What are you looking at?
What in the road?
They all just fell on me.
What in the
Wait,
road?
what? What are you doing there? How'd you get there? What is Thomas doing right there? Huh?
I don't know.
I don't either.
Did you jump and land on the risers?
I don't know. Did you put Thomas there? Yeah, uh-huh. Uh-oh, ready? Oh, Percy made it, Thomas didn't. Hey, there we go.
That didn't work.
Oh no!
Bye everybody.
Bye everyone, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.